Loop here works on a manual in and out on these decks. So as I'm going, if I want to loop a part, I have to count to the beat, hit one, and hit the other. And if I'm tight enough, they will loop that section. If you look at the clock, it's going from 13 to 12 to 11, back to 13. And both lights are flashing. If I press the light now, when they're flashing, it shows me that loop point. So where I'm wanting to save this loop, I could write it down now exactly where that loop point is. Same with the out loop, I could write it down. Press it again, they're both flashing, it's looping, it never stops looping. While it's looping, you can still do all your scratching. You can't fast forward or rewind beyond the loop unless you exit, which is this button here. But assuming I haven't changed that loop, I can press this to re-loop. So you can have a loop saved, go back to it in the middle of your mix. If you change your cue point is automatically the beginning of the loop. That in point is always that. So if I move this cue point, I do lose that loop. As long as I haven't moved it, it should still be there. One last trick with the loop, if I press out, I can now use the platter to move that point for precision, to make it really neat. Hopefully you can hear that's not neat, but it has altered the point. We use this for this sound effect that you'll probably recognise from EDM, where as I reduce the size of the loop, it's going to build up to a crescendo. With a nice hot cue set somewhere on a break, using this well, you can get a really nice effect.